Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through like how to change your suggested reels in Instagram. So to do so you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So to adjust the type of the reel suggested to you on Instagram, you can take the several steps to refine your content recommendations. There are the few steps. The first one is reset your content recommendation. Instagram has introduced a features that allows users to reset their content recommendation across feeds, Explorer and Reels. This can be particularly useful if you wish to start fresh with the content Instagram suggests to you. So how to reset? To do so, open the Instagram app and navigate to your profile. Go to your profile, and after that tap on the three horizontal line which is at the very top right corner of this page. Click on this and select the settings and privacy. From here go to the content preference. Here you can see the option content preference. Click on this, and from here tap on the options reset suggested content. Click on this. From here Instagram Reels will be fresh start again, like you have just downloaded your Instagram and opened your reel section, like it's a very new start to the reel section. Like click on the option next, click on the option reset suggested content, and after doing so you click on the option like reset suggested content, and your all the contents will be reset. So that's how you can do it from the suggested content. And after resetting, Instagram will begin tailoring your content based on your new interaction and preference. So that's how you can do it. And also there is option 2. So after following all these steps, like going to your profile icon and tapping on the option settings and activity, and again click on the option content preference, and from here snooze all suggested post in feed. You can just open this and snooze all the suggested posts in feed for 30 days, and you can also snooze it of suggested reels in feed for 30 days. And that's how you can just follow the option 2. And there is one more option which is option 3. Mark reels as not interested, meaning indicating which reels you do not prefer helps Instagram understand your content preference. So to do so, there is this step. While viewing the reel, tap the three dot icon here, and from here you can just select the option like not interested. Click on the option not interested, and from here select something like why you are not interested, and that kinds of reels will not be appear on your reel sections. So that's how you can just mark as not interested. There is one more option which is clear your search history, like your search activity influence the content Instagram suggested. To clear your search history, go to your profile and tap the menu, select your activity, recent search, and tap clear all to remove your search history. This can help reset the algorithm understanding your interest. So that's how you can do it. So let me know if you need more help about this in our comment section below, so that we can help you by making the next video in our channel. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.